made the long trip to New York. What do you think of having a game this side of the Atlantic?
I think it's a great idea for the fans. Good chance to come and see the city and enjoy ourselves.
And what do you think the players think of the whole trip?
I think that they probably appreciate it too. You know, it's a chance to go somewhere where they maybe don't get recognised as much and get the squad together for a bit of bonding before the qualifiers kick off.
Ladies, we saw you stopping Craig Bellamy for a photograph there. You've come all this way to New York. What do you think of having a game in New York?
I think it's great. It coincides with doing a load of shopping, which we've done today. It's been brilliant.
And what do you think our realistic hopes are on Sunday against Mexico?
I think we've got a good chance. I think we've got a good team, so I think we've got a good chance.
It's going to be a very difficult test for our young squad, but hopefully if we get the right result on Sunday, we can push forward on to the start of the campaign and get ourselves off to a very good start.
It's a difficult one to call because you never know with friendlies how they're going to go. I just hope we give a good account of ourselves and carry on where Gary Speed left off, really.
If everyone can make themselves available to play, then that would be great, and we've got a great future to look forward to.
And looking forward to the World Cup qualifiers starting in September. Realistically, what do you think the chances are?
Well, we've already booked our flight, so we think we're going to get there.